Hi there. So now we will be working with the column of occupation and we will classify it on the basis of age group. And what this code will give us, this code will give us this graph. Now what this graph is saying, okay, that's like complex thing. It's very colorful. Now here are the legends created. There we have our legends, these. The blue bar is for the age group of 26 to 35. The blue bars here, this blue bar, each graph, each occupation, these are the occupations, healthcare, government, automobile, construction, and so on. Each occupation is having a blue bar that is representing the sales, that is the purchases that is done by youngsters of age group from 26 to 35. Now we see that in every occupation, the most dominant buyers are ranging from this age, are ranging in this age, which is 26 to 35. You see, in every occupation, this bar is the highest one. So what we suppose that 26 to 35 age group, they are most likely to buy things online or in sales or anything like that. We are having a total of seven age groups because there are seven legends, and for that reason we will be having seven bars in every category. These are seven graphs of food processing. These will be the seven bars of automobiles, and mm, these are the seven bars of IT sector, and yes, so on. This is how our data looks like. Now see, the other age groups 0 to 17, orange line represent the buyers that are of age 0 to 17, and they are very less because they are like kids and they don't have permission to buy things or something like that. Their parents will be buying from them, shopping from them, and we are having the next age group 51 to 55, that is like purple. Okay, that age group, okay, that is also, it's moderate, it's normal. It's like not very much dominant, but yes, the next age group is 55 plus, which is in brown. These brown lines represent the age group of 55, and so on. Here they are in healthcare, they may be doctor or something like that, and so on. Now you can create a graph yourself as well, in which you can, like, these are the occupations. You can classify it on the basis of product category, and it will tell you which product category, the in which product category which age group is interested. You can just plot this graph, and yes, it's your task, so I will not show you that. Okay, so the next thing I have done in my Discord is I have added a boundary, because in this graph you see there is some illusions, or you can say that this graph is not very much clear because there are no boundaries within the bars. So in the next graph I have, like, firstly specified the figure size. This way you can just remove that as well, so it will follow a default size. And after that, it is, I think, necessary for this case because we are having a lot of x-axis labels, so I suppose that I should rotate this, so every name is rotated on the x-axis. After that, the same way, occupation and adding a hue of age group, and data is from data. And now to add the border, we specify the argument edge color, this edge color, and it is following that SNS dot color plate. Now you may have seen the color plate in Paint or anything like that, in which there are a lot of colors. This is the same color plate in Seaborn, and I am choosing the dark shade within that, the third element. You can like choose first element. I guess there are six of these. I'm not sure. You can just play around with the data, with the argument. I also have tried some other colors, but this color, I think this is playing good role here. You can also play around with this data. Otherwise, the this chart and this chart both are exactly same except for the border. And yes, you can extract so much from this graph, which age group is interested in which of the like which age group and which occupation. And if you plot a graph of product category and age group, that will be more helpful for you. Then you can extract which age group is more interesting in which product. It can be food or anything like that.